Now when I'm in New Zealand and I'm having a bit of a hike on the track, I always drink an ice cold Speights. Good on ya.
Good on you, mate. Speights. Pride of the South for over 100 years.
Alright, fatties, I think I got the hang of it. We are in Queenstown, we are in New Zealand, and we are driving.
Oh, it's a kangaroo!
A kangaroo?
We're not in Australia.
I don't think they have those.
They don't have those here, bro. They have some kind of bird here that's cool looking. The one they showed on the plane, you know? No, not a kookaburra. Yeah.
Kookaburra. Alright, so we're gonna have some fun in New Zealand if we don't die on the motorway. Bye-bye. See, I'm doing alright.
Bro, ISIS is in front of us, guys.
I'm doing okay.
ISIS, bro. It's ISIS.
What are you talking about?
The car.
Oh, it's called ISIS?
No,
That is an
ISIS.
ugly ass car. It looks like Tuscany here.
Why did they name a car ISIS?
Oh, yeah. It's really going to be interesting when I drink and drive around here. Just kidding. Alright, we got to get on the 6, or as they call it here, the 6. On the meat pie. Venison. Never had a venison pie.
Ooh, look at the meat, it's so tender.
I'll be the judge of that. Mmm. It's gamey, huh? Mmm.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Tastes like barbacoa.
Mmm. It's delicious.
What is it?
I like it.
And the salad was good too.
I didn't gobble that salad up.
Very nice.
Mmm.
Good salad.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're eating the first meal in New Zealand.
Is this like a dip for the...
This is a venison meat pie.
I think this is the sauce for the pie.
Maybe we had some Vegemite
Maybe salt pepper.
with the Berg beer, not a beer, lemon lime bitters. This is the church Manapouri. This is a little restaurant bar that we went into, and it actually used to be an Anglican church from the 1800s. The burgers were amazing. And then we went into Fiordland National Park, did a little hike. Not crowded at all. This place was very interesting, kind of like a swamp. And there's the lake and the fiords. Got a little drone flight in. Kind of have it all to yourself, really. Morning, fatties. We have left Te Anau and we are in Milford Sound. Lots of little bugs here. Milford Sound. We're gonna take a little boat ride. Should be about, I don't know, 2 hours or so. And we're just gonna go on the lake here. So, yeah. Check it out.
It was worth reading.
I'm a MILF adventurer. This is my boarding pass.
Here's the bow, the very front of the boat, a great spot to be. But try not to trip and fall on the bits and pieces around the thing. Complimentary tea and coffee for you all, go and help yourselves. Rubbish bins, multiple, all around the vessel. Variety, so red, silver and mountain beach. But then there's also Remu, tow trip, southern rounded. He'd name over 600 different species of pirate.
Look, right there on the rock.
Yo, what the hell?
I've never seen a sea lion before.
If any wind is not becoming your cup of tea, then you do not want to be outside.
So this boat ride's about an hour and 45 minutes, and I think I'd highly recommend it. It's a nice little experience. You might get a little wet though. Alright, how was the boat ride, guys?
It was awesome.
It was quite cute.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah?
I mean, look at this place.
It's all right. I mean, it's not Texas, but
Alright,
it's pretty nice.
where's my waterproof?
Sadly, we didn't see a lot of MILFs in Milford Sound.